So guys, hearing see one more part 25 has been game on the added ESA. So get ready for it, and now please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on this channel. So now anyways, let's move toward onto the small screen, and let's talk about array part 25 of the array ESA. So let's move to on the big screen. Let's do a coding with loving. Binary search algorithm, iterate and recursive implementation. So let's talk about it. Binary search algorithm is a searching algorithm used in a sorted array by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. The idea of binary search is to use the information that the array is sorted and reduce the time complexity to O log n. Table of content. We are learning about what is the binary search algorithm and conditions to apply binary search algorithm in a data structure. Binary search algorithm, how does binary search algorithm work, how to implement binary search algorithm, in how iterative binary search algorithm, recursive binary search algorithm, complexity analysis of binary search algorithm, application of binary search algorithm, advantages of binary search, disadvantages of binary search, frequently asked question FAQ on a binary search. First, what is the binary search algorithm? Binary search is a search algorithm used to find the position of a target value within the sorted array. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half until the target value is found or the interval is empty. The search interval is halved by comparing the target element with the middle value of the search space. Conditions to apply a binary search algorithm in the data structure. To apply a binary search algorithm, first the data structure must be sorted. Access to any element of a data structure should be take constant time. Binary search algorithm. Below is a step-by-step algorithm for binary search. Divide the search space into two halves. The spelling is HALVES by finding the middle index in the double commas made. Compare the middle element of a search space with a key. If the key is found at a middle element, the process is terminated. If the key is not found at a middle element, choose which half will be used at the next search space. If the key is smaller than the middle element, then the left side is used for next search. Number 2. If the key is larger than the middle element, then the right side is used for next search. This process is continued until the key is found on the tool or the tool's total search space is exhausted. For spelling is EXHAUSTED. Binary search visualizer. How does binary search algorithm work? To understand the working of binary search, consider the following illustration. Consider an array ERR square brackets and equals to in the curly brackets 0, 10, 2, 5, 8, 12, 16, 23, 38, 56, 72, 8, 91 and the target equals to 23. How to implement binary search algorithm? The binary search algorithm can be implemented in the following two ways. First, iterative binary search algorithm and recursive binary search algorithm. Given below are Presidio codes for the approaches. Presidio spelling is PSEUDOCODES. PSEUDEOCODES. Okay, Presidio courses for approaches. Iterative binary search algorithm. Here we use a while loop to continue the process of comparing the key and splitting the search space in the two halves. In this example, this is one example of a C++ and we are using a C++ in all the coding for the coding. Okay, and now I am remove the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 22, 20, 24, 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, then 37, then 38. Okay, then it will be starting removing it. Okay, So it take a little bit time, then it will be removed all the numbers, then I copy it and then paste it. So it give me the output present at let's see the output. Why did not give me any output? So okay, now let me copy. Now here you can see it give me output element is present at the index 3. Why? It is giving me this type of output because here we use the time complexity O log n and we use the actually space O n. Let me show you where we used it. Let me come out up. Let me come up. Where we use it. Okay, here we use it O log n and O1. Okay, operation. Now recursive binary search algorithm. Create a recursive function and compare the mid of the search with space with the key, and based on the result either return the index where the key is found or call the recursive function for the next search space. This one example here you can see it. So you can use this example. I am using this example. Okay, the output will become element is present in the index 3. This one example of a recursive. Okay, recursive. So let me paste and let me remove the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39. Okay, so now it is started removing it. So when it has been removed, then we will copy paste, then it give me the output. So it take a little bit loading. So now you can see it doesn't give me the all the output. So I'm pasting it. So when I paste it and when I run it, your output will become, now it take a little bit time, then it will be give me the output. It take a little bit time, just take a patience. So it is giving me element is not present in the array. Why? It is giving me element is not present in the array. Why? Because I said I write here 90, okay, and the element is not present in the array, so that's why it is giving me like this type of one output. Okay, so now when I come on it here, and if I write here 3, and then when I run it, and then sorry, I write dot by the mistake, so that's why it is giving me the error. So sorry for it, that's why it is giving me the error, because I write dot. So now it is giving me element is present at index 0. Okay, why did the element is present at the index 0? Because I write 2 here and 2 is in the index 0. So that's why. If I write here 40, so the 40 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it give me the output 4. You can see it. Why? Because 40 is present in the index 4. So that's why it is giving me the index 4. Okay. Complexity analysis of binary search algorithm. Time complexity. Best case 0, 1, average case 0 log n, worst case 0 log n. Accuracy space 0, 1. If the recursive call stack is considered, then the auxiliary space will be O log n. Applications of search binary search algorithm. Binary search can be used as a building block for more complex algorithm used in machine learning, such as algorithms for training neural networks, for finding the optimal hyperparameters for a model. It can be used for searching in a computer graphics, such as algorithm for ray tracing or texture mapping. It can be used for searching a database. Advantages of binary search. Binary search is faster than linear search, especially for the large arrays. Number 2, more efficient than other searching algorithms with a similar time complexity, such as interpolation search or exponential search. Binary search is well suited for searching large data sets that are stored in external memory, such as on a hard drive or in the cloud. Disadvantage of binary search. The arrays will be sorted. Binary search requires that the data structure being searched be stored in contiguous memory location. Binary search requires that the elements of the array be comparable, meaning that they must be able to be sorted. Okay. So now, sorry, let me come on it here. Frequently asked question means FAQs on binary search. What is binary search? Binary search is an efficient algorithm for finding a target value within a sorted array. It works by repeatedly dividing the search interval in half. Number 2, how does binary search work? Binary search compares the target value to the middle element of the array. If they are equal, the search is successful. If the target is less than the middle element, the search continues in the lower half of the array. If the target is greater, the search continues in the upper half. This process repeats until the target is found or the search interval is empty. Number 3. What is the time complexity of a binary search? The time complexity of a binary search is O log 2n, where n is the size number of elements in the array. This is because the size of the search interval is halved in each step. Number 4. What are the prerequisites for binary search? Binary search requires that the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. If the array is not sorted, we cannot use binary search to search an element in the array. Number 5. What happens if the array is not sorted for binary search? If the array is not sorted, binary search may return incorrect results. It relies on the sorted nature of the array to make decisions about which half of the array to search. Number 6. Can binary search be applied to non-numeric data? Yes, binary search can be applied to non-numeric data as long as there is a defined order for the elements. For example, it can be used to search for strings in alphabetical order. Number 7. What are some common disadvantages of binary search? The disadvantage of binary search is that the input array needs to be sorted to decide in which half the target element can lie. Therefore, for unsorted arrays, we need to sort the array before applying binary search. Number 8. When should binary search be used? Binary search should be used when searching for a target value in a sorted array, especially when the size of the array is large. It is particularly efficient for large data sets compared to linear search algorithms. Number 9. Can binary search be implemented recursively? Yes, binary search can be implemented both iteratively and recursively. The recursive implementation often leads to more conscious code but may have slightly higher overhead due to recursive stack space or function calls. Number 10. Is binary search always the best choice for searching in a sorted array? While binary search is very efficient for searching in sorted arrays, there are maybe specific cases where other search algorithms are more appropriate, such as when dealing with a small data sets or when the array is frequently modified. So, this chapter has been also been ended by the name of why you binary search. Okay, of the why we use the binary search means that binary search algorithm iterative and recursive implementation. This chapter had been also been ended.